Hi everyone, so I'm Flora from the product support team, and we will see together the proposals, how powerful they are, and how the Clipper is a powerful part of the tool. I will show you my screen, and we see all of that together. Up. Okay. So let's say we are at the stage of a lead, right? So we are talking with the client, seeing if we can win the project, and we want to make a proposal to the client. So here we are in the leads part. So you click on leads, all leads, and you have access to all this list of leads here. Let's click on one of them here. So let's say, is the project I want to create a proposal for. I go to proposal here. I can click on new proposal, but in our case, we will just go to a proposal that already exists. And here is what your proposal will look like. So you have your informations here. You have the informations of the client. Here is the due date. You have here the possibility to see. So here we are on a draft. You can be on sent, approved. You have all the different stages of your project to stay organized. So it's very important to fill the most informations you can when it's about the client's informations, because the more informations you will bring now, the less you will have to bring later. So everything will be already filled, and next time when you will win the project and go to your project here to find your proposal, or even to switch your proposal to an invoice, then it will be perfect. You will already have all your informations already available here. So you will just save time for later. So here you have the title that you can modify. And here we have the list of items for our proposal. Here you have the payment sections, file section, terms and conditions, memo, and the signature. So keep in mind that everything is like customizable. You can swap every categories here. You can also rename them. So the goal here is really that you create the proposal you want. So here, let's go to the part that interests us, which is the items part. So to add items, you go to add items here. And when you click on it, you have access to product here or services. So all of this is like, so the product will be product that you clipped with the clipper or that you added manually. But of course, we advise you to use the clipper because it's time saver, it's the best way to do it. Then here for the services, so there won't be the clipper, but the idea is the same. You pre-populate everything in the library, and then you have access to it. So for the product and services, you will have like access to it on any project and any leads. So you will save a lot of time. Everything is ready. You're set up. You fill your library with all the product and the services you need. And that at any point, you will be able to add the product or the services of your choice. You will be able to amend them. So it's very like time saver, and we really encourage you to use them as much as you can. So the library is accessible from the tab Manage here. You have product or services, and from there you will be able to manage your library. So I just show you how it works. So here we are. So on the tab, so in the tab Manage, here we are in our list of products. So we have all the products we clipped with the clipper. We can amend them if we want, like we can edit it. And you can create a new product if you want. If it's, for example, product that you can't find on internet, very specific products, you still can add them manually, of course. So here are like all your products, and here all your services. So you know the services you're providing, right? So you just fill them, like pre-populate all these parts. You already have your list, which will be ready for every document, every proposal, every invoice. So now let's see together how to use the Clipper. So normally you received a video on how to install the Clipper. So I hope everyone is set up. Otherwise, it's okay. You can watch the video later. No worries. I will just show you how to clip an item. So let's say we are on a website with a lot of products, and we want to clip a product. We want this sofa, for example. Here, our advice is really to go on the description of the product so that you can already like fill everything from the website. You don't have to write anything. So I will show you how. Another advice is to save the picture with a white background, as you won't have to remove it when you will be working on your mood board. Because on your mood board, you will probably want to have the product on a white background. So if you're just like selecting the first picture with a white background, it will be already made, and it's better for the quality of your picture. And then you will be able to clip other pictures, like to add other pictures in your item. But the first one will be the one that you will see on the mood board. So it's important to have the first one with the white background. So let's say we want to clip it. So we click on the blue leaf here. And then here is what we can see. So we have a lot of different informations. And here again is the same concept that the more you will fill all these informations, and the less you will have to amend it, everything will be ready for your clients. So to add all these informations is very simple. You click on the two little fingers like that, and then you will be able to select everything you want. So we want the product title, we want the cost here, we want the description here, up. We want to select the category, very important. So here would be, for example, let's say for kitchen. So we can really like select everything we want. Here we can link the product to a project if we want, but here what we want is just to add it to the library, so we don't select any project. And then you will be able also to add some tags here. So it's the best way to stay organized. When you will go to your library, you will have a big list of products. So the best way to find easily a product will be to use the tags. So here we have a sofa up. So the tag will be the sofa. And then we save it. And here is okay. We have this little pop-up here, and we see that it has been added to our library. So it's as simple as that, very quick, very easy. And we can come back to our library, and the product will appear in the library in the product tab. So this is it for the list of items. Then something else I wanted to show you was, so here you have your proposal. You're doing everything to look professional, of course, and you can select very, you can be very cautious about every single information you're adding. And then when everything is set up, you can click on preview and share here, and you will be able to see what the client will see. So here we see that in the settings, we can tick or untick every single element we want the client to see. So for example, when we were making the proposal, I created before some titles, for example, living room, bedroom. So you have the possibility to really organize your proposal according to the different rooms. So if you want to see it on your proposal, it's here. You click on show categories pricing, and then you have the price per categories. So here, really use the settings as much as you want to be able to decide everything that the client will see. So again, like you tick or untick everything. So for example, here we have everything empty, right? But then if we tick everything, we will have every single informations if you want to show everything to your clients. So you see, like, it's two completely different kind of proposals. And you can scroll on the right to be able to see every single informations. And here, something that we selected was the approved per line item. So this thing is very interesting because it will allow you to ask to the client to tick or untick every single element of your proposal. It's very interesting, for example, for shopping list, when you have a long list of products, the client will have to approve or refuse every single line to tell you if he's okay or not with every single element of the proposal. So I think like it's something that might help you a lot to make sure you're really on the same page with your client. And then when you're ready, you just click on share and you will be able to share it with your clients. I think this is it.
Yeah. Questions in terms of the proposals or the clipper? Are we all good? And Flora, I might take over the screen share one more time.